read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Secretary Natni is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Now it's activity time. Look at your screen. What is this? These are beautiful pictures. Here is a cat. Here is a cap. Here is a ball. Could you see? Here is an ant also. But the topic is match letter C with its relevant pictures. C is for cat. Cat. C is for cat. Cat. C is for cat. Cat. We will not match with ball and ant. I hope you enjoyed this activity. The next activity is that you have to help the dog to go its home. But I will never help you. It's your own work. It's a fun time. Now I want to say thank you and Allah Hafiz.